What's your name, where'd you come from, and what have you got for us?
Hi, I'm Kieran Walton from Wakefield, West Yorkshire, and I've got my MK1 CADDY ABF.
ABF? How long have you had this for?
Quite a while, 2014, I've had it since.
Oh, okay. It is the prettiest one I've ever seen, mate.
It's not bad. Takes some doing though.
Yeah? What did it look like before?
A shed.
A shed?
A real shed. I've got some pictures that I can pass on.
Yeah.
They were just an abused farm truck when I got it.
Really?
Yeah.
What sort of, obviously, I'm guessing engine swap?
Yep, engine swap. Mark III Golf, 16 valve.
Ooh. What are sort of like the major things, the major jobs that you've done to this other than the engine swap?
Well, just the whole restoration really.
Yeah.
From it was just a shell, so we've just done it from ground up really.
Yeah. Is it quite an expensive thing to do?
Well, I've chipped away at it, so it hasn't been too bad.
Yeah.
So probably be expensive if you did it all in one go.
Oh yeah, I bet, yeah.
But it took like 5 or 6 years, so it doesn't seem as bad.
Yeah, for sure. Wow. Let's talk us through the bed, because that's very impressive.
The bed had a bit of work.
Very impressive.
So it's been replaced by one of valves from retrofittation.
Yeah.
All welded in, and then I put some wood in there.
Look at all the
Slotted brass screws.
Christ, they're
all riv nutted.
Yeah.
Drilled, riv nutted.
They're all pointing the same direction.
Pointing the same way.
Christ. What sort of like polish do you use? Like, look at it. It's like a mirror finish.
Yeah, it's just fairly fresh paint in it, so
yeah.
You just buff it with just compound and stuff, fine compound, and then
sweet.
Just liquid polish type stuff.
Oh yeah. Now tell us about this rear bumper, mate.
The bumper is off a Caddy Sport.
Yeah.
Quite rare, but it come with it. So I just had it powder coated and stuff.
It came with it. Oh right,
yeah,
okay.
It come with the truck. That.
See, a lot of the Americans didn't really know much about the Caddy Sport, which is like the UK answer for the sport truck.
Yeah.
And this is the bumper that would have had.
With it. The other thing it's missing, it has a bezel, like a bezel around there, supposedly, but it never had it, and obviously you can't get them. So.
Wow.
And then these end caps, they're just some off eBay. These here.
Oh, those.
Them
sorry.
caps are missing, so I measured them and got some off eBay that fit and look okay.
And is this this looks like a 3D printed badge? Is that?
It is, yes.
I've seen them for sale. They're pretty cool.
Edward, I think they call him. He does all kinds of shit. Makes these now and all. The reflectors, he's making them as well now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What a lot of people want to know, like wheel size and tyre size and all that.
Yeah, the 15s, non-al turbos. I don't know what size tyres are. 185, 55, 15s. So they're really big, but comfortable.
Wow.
But it has been scrubbing up way here today because her indoors wanted to bring loads of stuff.
Yeah, we packed the tent and everything.
Tent, toilet.
And a toilet. And we got the bubble window. Look at that, it's so clear. See, a lot of people that've got the bubble ones have got really yellowy, smeary
well,
ones.
That war, I flattered it and buffed it. And
really?
Flattered it and buffed it.
It looks great.
The original dealer sticker in back.
Oh really?
It's workshop, Retford and Mansfield, so it's not that far from where I live.
Really? Wow.
Had that remade, had that reproduced. So I'm sad.
What, the sticker there?
Sticker, yeah, we're all faded, so I had it reproduced.
Wow. Little details.
By Graf Shed. Have you heard of him? Graf Shed?
Maybe.
Like pictures and that.
What's this? What's that on the glove box?
I don't know, that's what we're on it from a farm truck. So I figured I'd keep it. Please keep full with fuel. Garage, 830 WL6.
Wow.
It's like a one owner before I got it.
Look at you. Do that again. Shut the door. Look how what is going. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, take some adjusting on that.
And we've already established you've got the chrome waistline trim and the seal trim.
Non-genuine, but
still, like, just does it for me. I love that.
Stainless exhaust.
Yes. Do you know what brand that is?
No, it's
Does it matter?
Cut and shut. I bought it and made it fit type thing.
Wow.
So it's stainless, but I've welded it with MIG welder, so it will rust. But, yeah.
Wow. Can you tell us about the interior? Let me go around the other side. Oh, mate, that just feels like a brand new door.
Yeah.
So what we dealing with?
These seats are out of a Rover 800 on some custom mounts off a kid on eBay. The door cards, headlining, B pillars, A pillars, and this on the back is from Retro Retrims.
Okay.
The carpets, I forget where I got that from now. I think it went off eBay.
Ooh.
And then everything else is just.
I used to have this steering wheel in my UK Caddy. Was that Mark III steering wheel?
No, it's off Mark 1 GTI.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh right, yeah.
These I just painted black to go with headlining and stuff. I've got the door pockets with the speakers, which popped up for like 40 quid, so I got them.
Wow.
I've still to adjust this, as you can see, because it's too high. I only adjusted mine.
Wow, look at that little shifter. Oh well, you got the mini one there as well.
Yeah.
Is that the little Hot Wheels one?
Got me that. It was a keyring, but my daughter broke the keyring off.
Same colour?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
As they come in there, quite just clean fish.
Now let's pop the hood. Let me just see if does this door shut just as well? That's ridiculous. Okay. That's ridiculous. So clean looking.
Yeah. Painted the engine bay white, which seems to be a bit of a mistake now because it gets really mucky out.
Does it? But look at even the inside has got like a mirror finish.
Yeah.
Wow. That's mad. So what car would this have came from? Do you say a Mark III?
Mark III Golf GTI.
Yeah.
The 16 valve GTI, because they did the 8 valve, which you had the engine from.
Yeah, that's right.
UK
Yeah.
CADDY. And it's just as it come out, it's the same box. Hydraulic clutch conversion. The bigger servo out of a Mark II. That's it really.
Wow. But you're more of a, like you say, you're more of a cruiser, aren't you? You're not really.
Yeah, it's alright to go fast now and again in a straight line.
Yeah.
But it's not for racing around in, is it?
So it's such a beautiful example.
Put all these stickers back on.
Yeah.
These here, all eBay specials.
Really.
So yeah, I just need to change that water bottle because it looks manky. And I think the cap is leaking a bit.
Really?
It's a bit hard now and again when it gets hot.
Is there
anything that lets it down really?
Is there anything else that you think, oh, you know what, I'm gonna get round to doing this thing, or is it literally just, is it done?
No, it's not done.
Is it ever done?
Probably not. I don't really know what I'd need to do, but there's always something to do, isn't there?
Yeah, for sure. But it is so nice. Like, parts just look brand new. I suppose they are.
Well, the war. It's been on road 3 or 4 years now. I think next year will be its 4th MOT, so
Yeah.
stuff's getting a little bit tired now, but it's great enough for what it is.
Amazing. It is so nice.
It's just nice to use it now and again. So, yeah, original front bumper, big bumper.
Yeah. Yeah.
This here, I've got this one on the Mark III donut car. I thought I'll keep that and put it on there just to finish it off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. What are the? I've never seen these mirrors before. I'm sure they're just like the normal flag mirrors, but they just look a bit different.
Yeah, they've got different bases to most, but I don't know. They're just what come with it. Still can't see out of them. But,
It's a really, really nice example. It really is. It's so clean. Gets everyone's attention.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Original colour, Gambia red.
Is it?
Yeah, original colour it was. Touch disc and all.
Oh, have you had that remade?
Yeah, I had that made on the year it was produced or whatever. 86.
86.
Yeah, that's about it.
Nice one, mate.
I'm guilty because I haven't put a Monster Rabbit sticker on it yet.
Don't ruin it. Don't ruin it by putting a sticker on it. But no, it's beautiful. Yeah. It's beautiful. Well, mate.
Nice to see a few together.
It is, yeah. Look at the turnout we've had. Look at this. Woo! Well, mate, thanks for showing us your pickup truck.
Thanks for having us.
Sweet.